I have this trade signal right here I want to show you guys on Cardano ADA that can be a major breakout for the cryptocurrency. So now understanding that Bitcoin is merely just in a sideways consolidation, there's not much to look at or think about. The best case scenario would be Bitcoin rejects the level of support once again and pushes up to here. But looking at Cardano ADA, we're able to see that we have this ascending triangle. So it's a very clear pattern that we have here. All right, and now keep in mind, this is at the bottom of the market within the past 2 months. We're coming back down. Now look at, we have two MAs here. We have this moving 20 MA. Let me make sure that these are, damn, it no longer shows it. So we have the moving 20 MA right here, which is the blue line, and then we have a 66 MA, which is this gold line. Historically speaking, within the past 2 months, Cardano ADA has been respecting this golden line right here. As you can see, it broke below and we pushed down from it. And then once we came back into that area again, we rejected it once again. And now this was the first time within the past 2 months that we broke above that 66 golden MA, respected it, and made another push up. So one thing that I like to look at to make it much more clear, if we're above the 66 MA, think of only getting into buys, and if we're below the 66 MA, think of only really getting into sells on the short-term time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, which we have right here. So within between the 66 MA and the 20 MA, that's usually an opportunity to buy or sell. So in that area right here. So every time we came to that area, we had made a push down in that direction. We had a push down here, came into the area, pushed down again, came into the area, had a push down, respected the 68.6 and made a big leg down. So now that we have, and it continued doing the same exact thing right into that area, we all made these push down. Now we have this break above the 66 MA. We're in the area right here where we can get another push up, which happened. We came into that area, this entire area between the 66 and 20, came into that area and we made another leg up. So now the reason why this area right now is going to be so very important for the next couple of days for ADA is that we're coming into this buy area along with having this major breakout that has been forming since the beginning of February, which is this resistance zone right here. So if this buy area is able to take us and have us break out of this resistance, this can bring ADA back up to $1. So if you're taking a trade, I would definitely, you can either enter in this area on a 1-hour double bottom or literally just add some positions right at this breakout, which will most likely bring us to $1 just because we have this free traffic. And the next selling area would be right here. So this is a very, very clear and good for ADA. And right now, as I'm looking at it, we're able to see that we're even getting a small rejection on this 4-hour candle. Let's zoom in. So as we're entering that zone, we're getting this rejection once again in this buy area. So if we're able to stay here or even come down into it and have like a double bottom to push us up, that would look absolutely amazing. And that's very bullish for ADA. And we'll be going up to $1 and then, yeah, and then we'll just go to the daily time frame. And the reason why it'll be like around $1 is because when we go to the daily time frame, the 66 MA on the daily time frame is right here. But like I said, this is the first time that I can say it looks like the market is going to begin to shift to the upside for all the reasons that I listed in the last video. Even on the higher time frame, the daily candles formed a tweezer bottom right at the 61.8 retracement, which I'll show you guys right now. So we have the first major push of this cycle, the first major high. We came down for the dip, and right at the 61.8 level, we have this daily tweezer bottom, which is a 4-hour double bottom and break of structure. And if we're able to continue up from this double bottom / tweezer candle, that would be very bullish. And then we can literally just look at these Fibonacci levels as our zones, or it gives us a better area as to where our zones are at, because we're able to see that it's been highly respecting these levels. We have the 23.6 level, which has been respecting. We could refine it to go right here. And then we have this level right here, like the 950 area, which is the 38.2. But long story short, this breakout right here would be absolutely major for Cardano. And then especially if Bitcoin rejects this area like it did probably like 7 times already, and we can get our next leg up to around 125, that is just going to blow Cardano up. Absolutely blow it up. And the similar thing for Ethereum too. Ethereum has been consolidating. If Ethereum gets this breakout, everything, like most of the coins are going to be pushing to the upside. So just look at that on Cardano. That's a great opportunity to get into the market, enter some buys for some major returns.